दवाई एक्सपायरी डेट से 1 साल दूर है, but I still can't use it anymore. Why? Come, I'll tell you. एक्सपायरी डेट और शेल्फ लाइफ में बहुत फर्क होता है. So I know all of you know about milk. Now although इसका एक्सपायरी डेट 4 months के बाद है, but because I've opened it, I have to use it within 2 days. Similarly, skincare products and cosmetics also have a shelf life, but unfortunately most of us don't know how to read the labels properly. Now this cream expires in March 2026, which is after 2 years, but its shelf life is only 6 months. This symbol here is shelf life. इसका मतलब एक बार मैंने खोल दिया, I have to use it within 6 months. Now ये क्रीम में easy था because expiry date is after 2 years, 24 months. This was easy and used within 6 months of opening. But most of the times ऐसे लिखा नहीं होगा. Okay, so always use the product before the shelf life gets over and not the expiry date. नहीं तो product खराब हो सकता है और allergies and rashes हो सकते हैं. Always look for this symbol in a label. It's more important than the expiry date. Read the caption.